Your Tesla's center screen is vital for navigation, climate control, and entertainment. Protecting it prevents scratches, fingerprints, and UV damage, maintaining functionality and resale value. With Tesla's frequent software updates and haptic feedback, screen interaction is increasing, making protection essential. Unprotected screens depreciate 10 to 15% faster. A screen protector is a worthwhile investment. When selecting a screen protector for your Tesla center screen, understanding the material types and key features is crucial for optimal protection and functionality. Tempered glass protectors offer the highest level of protection with 9H hardness, making them highly resistant to scratches from keys, nails, or debris. This hardened glass provides excellent durability for your Tesla's large touchscreen. Polyurethane film, also known as TPU, is thinner and more flexible than glass. This makes it easier to apply without bubbles or alignment issues, and some films even have self-healing properties to repair minor scratches. In summary, tempered glass provides superior protection but requires more careful installation, while polyurethane film offers easier application and flexibility. Choose based on your comfort level with installation. Beyond material type, several key features can enhance your screen protector's performance. Anti-glare coatings reduce unwanted reflections from sunlight, making your Tesla screen easier to read in bright conditions and helping prevent eye strain during driving. Oleophobic layers create a surface that repels oils and fingerprints, keeping your screen looking cleaner for longer and making it much easier to wipe away smudges. Privacy filters limit the viewing angle of your screen, preventing nearby passengers or pedestrians from seeing sensitive information while maintaining clear visibility from your position. Finally, consider wireless charging compatibility, particularly for newer Model S and Model X vehicles. Choose protectors with thin materials or specific cutouts designed not to interfere with the charging pad. Essential tools for installing a Tesla screen protector include a squeegee for smoothing, microfiber cloths for cleaning, isopropyl alcohol at 70% concentration, and alignment guides to ensure perfect positioning. Preparation begins with finding a clean, dust-free environment away from direct sunlight and air currents that could introduce particles. Thoroughly clean the screen using microfiber cloths dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe in circular motions to remove fingerprints, oils, and any dust particles. Allow the screen to dry completely before proceeding. This ensures perfect adhesion and prevents bubbles from forming during installation. Important tip: avoid installing in humid conditions, as moisture can cause the protector to lift or bubble over time. Begin by aligning the screen protector using the provided alignment guides or a smartphone app designed for precise placement. Position the protector carefully over the screen, ensuring perfect alignment with the edges and any cutouts. Gently peel back the backing paper, exposing the adhesive side. Work slowly to avoid touching the adhesive. Carefully place the protector onto the screen, starting from one edge and working your way across. Using a squeegee or credit card, gently smooth out any air bubbles, working from the center towards the edges. If stubborn bubbles persist, carefully lift a corner of the protector and reapply, smoothing again. Remember, patience is essential for a perfect installation. Always check for dust particles that could get trapped underneath. Bubbles under your screen protector are commonly caused by dust particles or improper smoothing during application. To fix this, carefully lift the protector from one edge and remove any visible dust with a clean microfiber cloth. Then, smooth the protector back down, working from the center outward. Misalignment occurs when the protector isn't positioned correctly on the screen. If you notice gaps around the edges or bezel, gently lift the protector from one corner and reposition it while the adhesive is still tacky. Use alignment guides if available to ensure perfect placement. If the edges of your protector start lifting, this is usually due to improper cleaning or high humidity during installation. Ensure the screen is free of oils, fingerprints, and moisture. Clean with a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution and a lint-free cloth. Then wait for it to air dry before applying the protector. To prevent these issues altogether, install in a clean, dust-free room with bright lighting. Avoid humid conditions and rushing the process. If problems persist, consider professional installation to ensure optimal protection for your Tesla screen. To maintain your screen protector, clean it regularly using a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol. This gently removes fingerprints, smudges, and dust particles without damaging the surface. Proper maintenance offers significant benefits. A well-cared-for screen protector can extend your Tesla Center screen's lifespan by 3 to 5 years, while keeping the touchscreen responsive and clear. Know when to replace your protector. Plan to change it every 1 to 2 years or right away if you notice visible scratches or cracks, as these can compromise protection and affect touchscreen performance. The screen protector market is evolving with smart protectors featuring integrated sensors that monitor screen health and can alert users through Tesla's app. Eco-friendly, biodegradable films are gaining traction as Tesla owners seek sustainable screen protection options. Wireless charging compatibility remains a key focus, with protectors designed to be thin enough not to interfere with charging signals. Future trends include AI-driven tutorials using augmented reality to guide users through perfect installations. There's growing demand for multi-layered protectors that combine glass and film for superior protection and durability. Experts recommend professional installation for novices to avoid warranty issues. Automotive analysts emphasize screen protectors for maintaining resale value. Always check for counterfeit protectors, which often have poor adhesion. Test touch sensitivity post-installation to ensure full functionality. Switching to recyclable protectors can significantly reduce plastic waste. Stay up to date on product reviews and community forums for the latest tips and advice.